Hello everyone, welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an end-to-end AI-driven solution that automates one of the most painful and time-consuming activities in Agile delivery: sprint planning to Jira execution. What you're about to see is not just a bot, but a multi-agent architecture designed to think, decide, and execute just like a real product team. Let's start with the problem. In most organizations today, sprint planning discussions are long, detailed, and highly collaborative. However, once the meeting ends, the real pain begins. Product owners and Scrum Masters are expected to manually convert these discussions into epics, stories, and tasks inside Jira. This process is manual, time-consuming, error-prone, and heavily dependent on individual interpretation. As a result, teams lose valuable time, inconsistencies creep into Jira, and sprint momentum is delayed even before development starts. This is exactly where this solution adds value. Instead of manually creating Jira tickets, we use AI agents to analyze sprint planning inputs and convert them directly into structured Jira work items. The benefits are immediate: faster sprint setup, consistent and standardized Jira tickets, reduced dependency on manual effort, more time for teams to focus on delivery, not administration. In short, we are transforming conversation into commitment. Let me briefly explain what this agent is responsible for. The solution uses a main orchestrator agent that understands the user input and decides what needs to be created: an epic, a story, or a task. It then collaborates with a specialized AI skill that generates Jira-compliant API request bodies. Finally, a Jira execution tool creates the issues directly in Jira using secure API authentication. Each component has a clear responsibility, making the solution scalable, reliable, and enterprise-ready. Now that you understand the problem, the value, and the architecture, let's move into the live demonstration. I'll provide a real sprint planning input, and you'll see how the AI agent analyzes it and automatically creates Jira epics, stories, and tasks in real time. Let's get started. We are introducing Plan to Jira. Plan to Jira is built on a multi-agent architecture designed to automate sprint planning execution in a structured and intelligent way. The agent in this architecture is the Sprint Planner Agent and Plan to Jira AI, Sprint Planning Automation Agent. The Sprint Planner Agent accepts sprint planning transcripts or raw meeting data directly from the user through an Automation Anywhere Copilot form. This input can be unstructured, such as meeting notes, discussion points, or planning conversations, exactly the way sprint planning happens in real teams. Once the input is received, the Sprint Planner Agent analyzes the content contextually and converts it into a detailed sprint plan. This plan includes high-level epics that represent sprint goals, well-defined user stories that deliver business value, actionable tasks that represent implementation work, a clear structure that aligns with Agile best practices. To make this solution reliable and enterprise-ready, instead of relying on a single monolithic agent, we follow a modular, multi-skill approach. Once the sprint plan is prepared by the Sprint Planner Agent, the output is passed through specialized AI skills. A key design principle of this solution is human-in-the-loop control. Before any Jira item is created, the generated sprint plan is presented to the user for review and approval. This allows product owners or Scrum Masters to validate scope and priorities, make adjustments if required, approve the plan with full confidence. Only after this human approval step does the agent proceed to execution. I hope you've enjoyed seeing the power of AI agents built with automation anywhere and how they can transform the way we work. With the right architecture, AI is no longer just about automation. It's about decision-making, control, and real business impact. Solutions like Plan 2 Jira show how AI can simplify complex processes, reduce manual effort, and help teams focus on what truly matters, delivering value. Thank you for watching, and I hope this session inspires you to explore and build your own AI-driven automations. Happy learning. Keep building. Go be great.